Started in 1901, Royal Enfield is the oldest motorcycling brand you can buy. Let's see how this brand progressed in last 120 years.
The first Interceptor was introduced in 1960 and is the last twin-cylinder motorcycle before the factory got shut down in UK. It was powered by a 750cc twin which has chrome everywhere and is a perfect example that bikes made in 20th century are better built.
Royal Enfield also claims that their bikes are made like a gun. Is this statement really true? Can't confirm.
In this latest iteration, you will get a thin bench seat which is not so comfortable, plastic chrome on the instrument console, and these cheap looking indicators.
I don't think this new Interceptor 650 carries the rich heritage and pride of its elder sibling from 1960s. Everything I spoke in the last 1 minute doesn't matter until you ride one. Push the throttle, the 650cc engine now produces 47 bhp and 52 Nm of torque. 80% of the torque is available at just 2500 rpm, and that makes a difference.
Royal Enfield has definitely brought back the essence of what motorcycling used to be. Heavily inspired by the 1960s Interceptor, they did a great job to preserve the look of the original.
You no longer care about those cheap plastics or indicators. This incredible riding experience and the sound from those twin exhausts make your heart rumble. This riding experience just dominates everything.
This parallel twin engine mated to a 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch provides you with smooth and relaxed cruising on those beautiful weekend rides. 4,500 rpm is definitely the sweet spot. You can do highway speeds around 100 to 120 all day long without an issue. If you keep the revs below 4,000 rpm, this long stroke engine behaves as a regular city commuter, which is a good sign. With torque band across all the revs, regular office commutes can be done with ease. Even though it is a 650cc motor, there are no signs of extreme engine heating. This twin cradle frame was developed by legendary Harris Performance, which offers amazing durability and stability. With 41mm telescopic suspension in the front and gas charge at the rear, gives you engaging and easygoing ride quality, even on tight corners, city commutes, and long highway rides. It's soft and bit bouncy, riding onto small potholes and speed breakers doesn't make the bike unstable. With 206 kg dry weight, it's a heavy bike, but it carries its weight effortlessly. You can maneuver it easily even in the country like India, where you will find a lot of city traffic. Interceptor used to get a 18-inch front and rear spoke wheels with Pirelli Phantom Sport tires, which offers easy handling and predictable behavior under hard acceleration and braking. The new version offers C8 Zoom tires, which are less consistent. But the C8 tires are a lot easier and less expensive to maintain. The brakes 320mm disc at the front, 240mm rear with bi-brake calipers combined with dual channel ABS offers you a nice experience with good stopping power. The front brake lacks initial bite, but it can be compensated with the use of much better rear brake. Coming to the mileage, this 13-liter fuel tank is adequate for the range of 350 km in one single stretch. You will get a mileage of around 30 km on highway and around 25 in the city. The service and maintenance cost of this machine is not too expensive and costs around 2500 rupees per service. With a good 1-month intensive riding experience with the motorcycle, I hope these ratings can make you understand the bike much better. Areas to improve are the headlight spread and console is outdated now. Build quality can be much better in some places like engine chrome and red plastics. Seat comfort is not so good, but RA offers you with a touring seat option. At the price of around 3 lakhs ex-showroom, Interceptor is one of few bikes which offers great value for money in the market.
In fact, this particular combination of engine, design, riding dynamics and the noise makes it one of the best modern classics. This is a brilliant motorcycle.
This new Interceptor is not just a retro classic looking bike with modern touches. It is a masterful recreation of 1960s Interceptor. It has a genuine old school feel, beautiful exhaust note, above all the great motorcycling character.